In today's video, let me show you on how to fix ChatGPT app login issues or not logging in on your iPhone. Let's start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the General and open it. Now select iPhone Storage. Then here, scroll down and look for ChatGPT app. Once you find it, then tap it to open the app storage. Next, tap the Offload app and then confirm your action by tapping the Offload app again. After doing that, wait for a few seconds and then tap Reinstall app button to download it again to your iPhone. By doing this, you'll be able to reboot the app and it might be able to help you fix your issues. Once the installation is completed, then open the app and try to log in and see if it works now. If the issue persists, then try to disable your VPN. If you're using one, go to your Settings app, then open the General option. Scroll down to VPN and Device Management option and open it. Now disable the VPN you're currently using and restart the ChatGPT app, then try to re-log in. If the issue persists, then try to delete or uninstall the ChatGPT to your iPhone and then restart your device. After the restart, then re-download the ChatGPT app using the App Store, and after that, make sure that you use the correct credentials when logging in. It is recommended that you use a Google account when logging in. So that's basically how you do it.